Hello, you are welcome to Dekoolar Nigeria Limited, the place where you get the best of blast freezers, cold room and ice block making machine. So today, here we have brand new evaporators. As you can see, they all brand new, and we have them in different sizes. If you see here, these are other sizes, the smaller sizes, and we have the bigger sizes here. Then also we have something special for you. This particular evaporator is meant for industrial blast freezer. So for those who want to do blast freezers for their poultry business, this is exactly what they are looking for. With this evaporator, your product will freeze in less than 3 hours. So these are special designed for industrial blast freezer. So it also comes with, this is another set of that same evaporator for industrial blast freezer. So these are other smaller evaporators. So if you look inside, we have a lot of these evaporators just imported, and they are all brand new evaporators. So for your cold room, for your blast freezers, we have you covered. We have brand new equipment. These are not fairly used. These are brand new and they are imported. These are what we use for your cold room and for your blast freezers. We also have other evaporators inside the warehouse. Then we also have inverter monoblock refrigerating unit, which will cut down your energy up to 40%. So if you are looking for that cold room that you don't need to spend too much diesel for a generator, we have that particular product for you. Inverter cold room system, we build them here. We're also going to take you to our warehouse inside and show you some of the energy saving refrigerating unit known as monoblock. We'll show you some of them inside. Here we have, these are brand new inverter monoblock refrigerating units. They are all brand new. As you can see, till the end of this block, they are filled with monoblock refrigerating units. So these are inverter products. With this, you get your inverter cold room. These are cold room doors, and they are all imported. They are brand new cold room doors. They are all brand new from Europe. We have our factory at Ekbe, and we also have another one at Papa. This is our head office here in Lagos. We have branch office in Port Harcourt, and we also have in Abuja. So you are welcome to Dekoolar Nigeria Limited. Here we cool it and we freeze it.